Okay, we're headed to Hooker Falls.
DuPont State Forest.
DuPont State Forest in Hooker Falls.
Where they filmed some movies.
Hunger Games, right?
Yeah.
Does that really happen?
Yeah, they filmed it here.
What's the date?
Saturday.
It's Saturday. Look at all these people. There's people freaking everywhere. And dogs.
Which must mean it's really easy.
No alcohol, no illegal drugs, all pets on leash, no camping, 5 to 10 p.m. No horses or bikes allowed on bridge. So, where are we at?
In the woods.
No, like, it's like location-wise.
DuPont State Forest.
I know, but like, is that in a state or something?
North Carolina.
Is it in a town? A county?
I don't know.
What's the town?
DuPont State Forest.
Okay. Well, I guess you just have to Google it if you're looking for that information. We'll let you know. I think there's a waterfall here. Hooker Falls. And how far is the walk? You know how far is the walk?
No, but there's plenty of fat people in flip-flops.
Look, there's people fishing. There's a big creek or lake or something, I don't know, river. Some body of water that's moving. Seems like you could probably catch some fish in it.
Looks like people are swimming.
Looks like people are swimming. That's what he said. People are swimming.
Or wading.
Oh, and they have tubes. We failed to bring a tube. But anyway, we'll be right back. So here we are at this, we took a little detour off the trail to let our dog drink some water. Nice little swimming spot. If you'd like to swim, we're gonna swim. We're in our bathing suits. Everybody's in their bathing suits. So it says danger, no swimming or wading. So we'll see how that goes. Here we are at the overlook, and as you can see, that no swimming or wading is just not gonna happen.
It's above the waterfall.
Oh, above the waterfall. Okay. People in it. People playing water polo over there. Or something with a ball. Catch. I don't know. There are way more many people down here. So, let's go down and see. You want to go down and see? Alright, here we go. And after you come down a hill and you come around, there's lots of people playing, and bam, it's like stuff freaking everywhere. People everywhere.
Hooker Falls. Bam.
You're gonna walk under the waterfall. You do it, man.
Amanda's making me go under the waterfall.
You do it.
I had to take my accessories off. I think it's easier to swim up to it, but okay. It says, don't try this at home. It's a lot more flat here than I thought. It's not the 4th of July yet.